Just wanted to show you the weapon we were using today. That's a Smith & Wesson MP15. And like I said, just a peep sight. That's all we had on that baby at 75 yards. And that was my 11-year-old shot that thing. Then we have other videos we're going to put on too with our 15-year-old using it. And if you guys like all these videos, then let me know, because we just live out here in the country and do a lot of shooting, and my boys talk me into putting this on YouTube, and we'll put more videos on. We all kind of crazy weapons. Have a good day. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Good. Alright, man, we're out here with the AR. This is my youngest boy, 11 years old, about 75 yards away. We're going to try to blow this up here. Go ahead, man. We even got a little fire action going on. 75 yards with the AR with a peep sight. You gotta love it. Go ahead. Wait a minute. Go ahead.